What's up, everybody? I'm Bednar. I'm a technology specialist here at Toyota Brookfield. I'm going to make a series of videos here teaching you how to do all the basics on the new Toyota you just bought. If you have any questions after you watch the video, feel free to come on into the dealership. I'll be back here in the delivery area. I'll be more than happy to answer any of the questions you have. Thanks.
All right, so today we're going to go over the dynamic radar cruise control system on your Toyota. If you have a new Toyota within the past couple of years, it should have it. There was only a couple cars that didn't get it right away. Like the older Camrys didn't have it as a standard thing, but most of the new Toyotas now have it as a standard feature if you have Toyota Safety Sense. So if you have dynamic radar cruise control and you have questions on how to use it, hopefully I can answer all of them here for you. So to use the dynamic radar cruise control, you're going to use it just like you would your regular cruise control. So pretty much every Toyota's cruise control is down here on the bottom right of the steering wheel. And you're going to use the dynamic radar the same way you would use the regular cruise control, except now there is a radar that is going to help adjust your speed to keep up with traffic. So the way you use it is you're just going to tap the button on the end of the wand here down on the cruise control. You're going to turn it on, and then up on the screen, up in front of you in between your gauges, it's going to say radar ready, meaning that it's all ready to use. So you're going to use it just like you would, like I said, your regular cruise control. So if you're on the freeway and you set your cruise control at 75 miles an hour, it's going to maintain that speed until it approaches somebody that might be going a little slower. So say somebody is going 70 miles an hour and you're approaching them, your car is going to see that, and it's going to adjust its speed and maintain a safe distance from that car in front of you. Now, you can adjust the distance you follow the person in front of you. It's very easy to do as long as your cruise control is on. There's a button right here on your steering wheel. It might be in a different spot on a couple of the other cars, but it's all going to look like this. It looks like the front end of a car with some radar waves coming out the front. So if we press that button, you can see on the screen up here, it's going to bring up another front of a car with 3 bars. So if it's got 3 bars, that means you're going to follow the person the furthest away that the car allows. And then if you go to 2 bars, you're going to be a little closer. And then 1 bar, you're the closest that the car allows. Now, a lot of people ask questions, how close is the closest? There is no set distance, like in feet or car lengths, because the faster you go, the more distance you need in between you and the person in front of you. So a general rule of thumb is, like, if you're on the freeway and you have it on the closest setting like this, you're going to be about 3 seconds behind the person in front of you. So you're not going to be tailgating them, still a very safe distance to follow the person in front of you. Now, like I said, since it is the radar cruise control, it will adjust its speed for you. So like I said, if you're coming up on somebody and they're going slower than you, it's going to match their speed and maintain a safe distance from them. But whenever they decide to either change lanes or speed up, your car is always going to try to go up to what you set the cruise control at originally. So if you set it at 75, it's going to try to speed back up to 75 every time it has the opportunity to do so. So if you change lanes to go around the person, it should speed back up for you. Now, I just want to kind of disclose this to you guys too. Not every single one of the Toyotas has the full range radar cruise control. And what I mean by that is, like, some of the Priuses and some of the hybrids have a full range dynamic radar cruise control, meaning it'll actually bring you to a complete stop, like if you're in traffic, stuff like that. This is still going to, like, turn itself off once you get below, I think it's like 30 miles an hour. And then you have to manually control the brake and accelerator without the cruise control. So just wanted to let you guys know that. Another thing too, and this would be the last thing for the radar cruise control, is a lot of people ask where the actual radar is itself for the cruise control, and it's actually the Toyota emblem on the front of the car. If it has the glass over the front of the Toyota symbol, that means it has the radar cruise, and this is how you would use it. So in the wintertime especially, make sure that that stays clean, otherwise it might not work properly for you. Other than that, if you have any other questions about anything, you can always stop in the dealership and look for me specifically, or you can always just rewatch the video. Thanks, guys.